Court calls the case, People versus Corey Harris.
Conrad Sewell on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
And may it please this honorable court, Deion Webster Cox, on behalf of Corey Harris. And we have good news.
All right, yeah, I know. Go ahead, I'll let you say it.
My client has his license, Your Honor.
It's fine. He's had it for a while.
Yes, and see, what did we do? We moved forward, focused on the positive, and now here we are. We can proudly stand before this court and say, we did it, okay? We did.
Yes, he did.
Yes, we all did. It was a collaborative effort. So
24 years late, but we did it.
we did it.
We got there.
We're here.
Congratulations, Mr. Harris.
Thank you. Better late than never.
That's right.
Wasn't I saying that at the beginning? I was.
Absolutely.
That's all I wanted. I told you that from the very beginning, Mr. Harris. All I wanted you to get your license.
Exactly.
And
Thank you.
I just wish it could have.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You just helped me out speed up the process a little bit faster. Thank you.
You were hard headed though.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you were hard headed, right?
My mother and my wife tells me this daily.
That you're hard headed?
Yes.
Yes. And you showed it to not only me, but the whole world that you were hard headed. And all I wanted to do, if you had left that first day, you know, after the first hearing, I revoked your bond. You came here, you followed what I said, and I didn't have, you know, because I didn't really have a problem with you. If after you had left the jail, and if you had just gone to the did what you did, we'd have been done with this so long ago. Really. And ultimately, when it all said and done, that's all I wanted. That is all I wanted. I just needed you to have your license.
Mission accomplished. So.
And it feels good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it feels good. You're not looking over your shoulder all the time, right?
Exactly.
It's amazing how that works. All right. And I did, not that I'm a social media person because I don't watch social media, but I saw him do his little dance out there in front of the Secretary of State.
That was after his training, after he passed the test.
After he passed the test.
So we were documenting the process.
And
right?
and as long as, and I knew, so like I said on the record, I kind of said it a little quip and a little snarky and probably shouldn't have said it that way. But I knew if he just passed a written test, the driving thing wasn't going to be a problem because he had been doing that for 24 years. So it didn't, he was going to be able to pass that part. All right. So with the newly vamped Mr. Harris.
Yeah, and we're all happy about that. So I will keep my promise. And if he would like to admit double parking today, he can do that. And if you accept it, Your Honor, I move to dismiss the more serious misdemeanor charge.
He will absolutely admit responsibility to double parking on that fateful and over.
Mr. Harris. I can find here. Mr. Harris, do you admit responsibility to the fact that on October 7th, 2023, location of Ellsworth Road near Lower Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you double parked?
Yes.
Satisfied.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Anything you want to say before I impose fines and costs?
Your Honor, my client has, I'm asking that the fines be as much as this court can, because he and his wife are both out of work and they've been working diligently trying to find work. But it's just things are financially, the margins are, and as a result, we're just asking that court, in addition to what the court has already done, that.
So after all this, you're asking me to do something nice?
I am. You know I'm going to ask. That's what I do.
Oh. Do I do nice things? I don't. No, I don't. Thanks for volunteering that, man. Mr. Harris,
Yes, sir.
throughout this whole thing, outside of the driver's license, everything else, tell me what you learned that you think makes you a better person now.
What I've learned is just pretty much stay focused, stay on task, and do not look back and just go on out here and just handle things right then and there. And then that way, I don't have to worry about anything crazy later. And thank you very, very much for teaching me that hard lesson.
Maybe one day we'll meet out on the street under better circumstances. Just keep your car in the lane. Don't be running into my truck. All right. So
I'm a very good driver.
I know we have 20 some odd years of you doing that. That's actually pretty good. All right. Fines and costs of $180. Mr. Harris, I don't know why I'm doing this. It is absolutely against my better thought, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to waive the entirety of the 180 and fines and costs.
Thank you.
You're all set.
Thank you,
Welcome.
Your Honor.
May I shake your hand?
I know, I don't think you can touch them.
Why you say that?
Okay.
Thank you. All right. All right. You're welcome. Just do the right thing. All right. Take care.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. That's all your people around the courtroom waiting for you? Did they think you were gonna get locked up again? That's your daughter.
That's her daughter. This is my wife.
That's your wife. So she came to make sure you didn't get locked up again. She kept you straight. All right.
Oh, yeah. Literally, she keeps me in line.
Yeah, okay. Take care. Court does go. Are you nervous?
Very.
Why?
How?
Why?
Well, I'm not nervous. She just got me shook up his story.
Huh?
His story fit my story. So I'm a little emotional. The guy just left
Corey? How does your story finish?
because I'm battling trying to get my license back. So
Okay,
That's what
so
I'm
first
going
of
through.
all, here's the deal. You're battling to get your license back.
right.
Tell you a little secret about Corey. Corey was not battling anything for a long time.
Right.
That's where Corey got in trouble. All right. So anyway.
At least I'm trying.